Hi guys, today I'll be replacing a brake pad on Ariel rider Kepler. Okay, so as you see in the rear here, you gotta losing take these two out. Okay, and also in the front, we're gonna be taking those two out. Okay, to replace the brake pad. Okay. You can see this. The brake is short in the rear right there. It's gone. So we're gonna start working on it. You got a screw in the back there, take out. Okay. Alright guys, so we have there, put the pin back, cut the pin and twist it back. You got a braid blocker there for the new pad. Okay, it should be working fine. And then if you see the old pad here, it's short. It's completely short. Very thin, pretty much bare to the bone. It's got 3,000 miles. Yep, it's over. Alright, now it's time to put it back and should we go. Okay. Alright guys, so in order to have no noise, see that it's still moving. So before you tighten up, right before you tighten it, you gotta come here and get a squeeze and put the hole on it. I'll show you. See that? Put a hole on it, and now you can start tightening it. So that way, when you release the handle bar, it won't have a sound squeeze. Okay. So, all right. Now I'm gonna tighten up everything. Okay. Tighten up the screw. Okay. Now you can release over here. There you go. See that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See that? Perfect. Perfect. Now we gotta do it the front. Alright guys, the front brake is not as bad as the back, but for 3,000 miles it's due for a replace, you know. So when I do it, I just do one time. So as you can see, I put the brake block in there. Yep. Alright, now time to put it back. Okay. Before I tighten the brake once again, find some rope, something to hold that, press that, and now you can tighten the thing. Okay, that's how you align it, your brake. All right, time to tighten. Alright guys, so this is the first time I replaced my brake. Got 3,021 miles. Okay, yeah, Ariel Kepler. Yep, so you can see everything works now. I thought about bleeding the brake, but it's still firm, it's still good, so no need to. Yeah, the wrench still good, everything good. Yep, no need to. Yeah, the rear is very sharp. You can see that it's gone. Man, that's a sharp. Yeah, the front is still okay, but not just getting thin, guys. Tektro, and the one I use is a Tektro also. Yeah. These I believe what like E10. Yeah. Yeah, E10 Tektro. Yep. Nice and easy. I thought about bleeding brake, but no need to. It's still firm. Everything squeezed it tight. Yeah. So still good. Maybe the bleeding like 6,000 maybe. Yep. Alright guys. See that? Squeeze still nice, everything. Alright, thank you for watching. Any comment, concern, just drop down below and I'm happy to answer, okay? Thank you.